Let's discuss about the subject marketing management topic consumer behavior. In this session, the contents which will be covered is about introduction to consumer behavior, meaning, definition, and factors influencing consumer behavior. There are around 5 factors, but the focus will be on the first psychological factor and the remaining will be continued in the other sessions. So let's get to understand the background of consumer behavior. As a layman or a common man, we understand consumer behavior as the subject or the concept that deals with the buying behavior of individuals. Consumer behavior is therefore a branch of studies which deals with the various stages a consumer like you and me go through before purchasing any product or services, either for our own use or for others. It continues through pre purchase activity to post purchase experiences. It includes the stages of evaluating, acquiring, using, disposing of goods and services. Now, as a student, you might have the basic requirement to have your own laptop or desktop because the pandemic has made you to learn through online platforms. So, you are in need of a product. So, you will not just go and buy in any shop. You will go through certain stages or phases. You will discuss with your parents or your siblings or your teachers about which laptop should you buy. And you will also think about your budget and so many other things. So we discuss about you as a buyer, what experience you undergo before purchase and after purchase. That is all the subject is about understanding the basics of consumer behavior. Let's understand the definition. According to Ostro and Smith, consumer behavior can be defined as actions of consumers in the marketplace and the underlying motives for those actions. So let me continue with the same example. You as a buyer of a laptop, now what do you do in the market? Now in this pandemic, you cannot go to the real stores. Though they are open for a limited period of time, the best source of information will be through various websites. Or you will discuss and what actions you take for collecting information about the laptop and what is the motive. As a student, you will not look for a higher end laptop, you will look for something which serves your online purpose of learning. So, what actions do you take? Do you think of buying a new laptop or you can also buy a pre owned laptop? And you have another option, you can also take it on rent. So, here the study includes of what they buy, why they buy, when do they buy, and from where do they buy, and how often will you buy and how frequently you're going to use it. So you're going to think of buying a laptop. So you are very clear about the question. First question is what you want to buy. Why the purpose is you want to continue with your online learning platform. When it has to be purchased now, it's already been 1.5 years of your online learning experiences. So therefore, you will not buy it frequently, you'll buy it once now. Maybe once you start working, you will upgrade the laptop or you might go for a newer one. How often will you use it? You're going to use it every day for your learning purpose. Because learning on your mobile phone will not help you in the long run. It will definitely affect your eyesight. And therefore, you have realized there is a need to buy a laptop. Okay, so this is what the question about answering what is consumer behavior, you as an individual. Definitions of consumers: individuals who buy products and services for themselves or on behalf of their households. Now, the purchase of a laptop is for you, but who purchases it? Maybe your brother will place an order or your parent will place an order. So they are not going to use it, but they're going to buy it on your behalf. And the final user is you. So you are the end user of these products. Consumer buying behavior describes the process of how consumers make purchase decisions and how they use the purchased product. Therefore, you need to know and understand that how the decision making process comes about, why consumers make the purchase that they make, what are the factors which influence them to purchase, right? So these questions will be understood and answered by studying the subject and the concept relating to consumer buying behavior. Now let's get into the concept of understanding the factors influencing consumer behavior. There are a wide range of factors which influence us. Firstly, economic factors, which includes personal income, disposable income, discretionary income, family income, expectations regarding the future income, liquid asset and credit options available, standard of living. So these factors are under the economic factors. Personal factors. It includes the age of the buyer, occupation, life cycle stage in which the buyer is at the time of purchase, lifestyle, personality, and self concept. Psychological factors include motivation, level of involvement of the buyer, perception, learning patterns, lifestyle, and attitude. Next comes social and cultural factors. Every culture has its own subculture. Society is divided based on social class, social groups. There are reference or opinion leaders, and those leaders' role and status. So these factors influence consumer buying behavior. Let's discuss them in detail. Maybe in this video I will discuss about few factors and continue the rest in the remaining sessions. Consumer behavior is influenced by many factors such as situation, psychological, environmental, and marketing factors. Personal factors, family, and culture. Now, the companies try to collect data so that they can make decisions on how they can reach their target audience or the target buyer in the most effective and efficient way. While some influences may be temporary and others can be long lasting. These factors can influence a person to buy or drop the decision of not buying a product. So, therefore, consumer behavior is influenced by any of these above factors. Hence, let's discuss them. The first factor which we will focus is about psychological factor. Human psychology is a major determinant of consumer behavior. These factors are difficult to measure but are powerful enough to influence a buying decision. Some of the important psychological factors are motivation, perception, learning, attitude, and beliefs. Let's discuss the first factor motivation. When a person is motivated enough, it influences the buying behavior of the person. A person has many needs, such as social needs, basic needs, security needs, esteem needs, and self actualization needs. Out of all these needs, the basic needs and security needs take a position above all the other needs. Hence, basic needs and security needs have the power to motivate a consumer to buy a product or services. Perception. Consumer perception is a major factor that influences consumer behavior. Customer perception is a process where a customer collects information about a product and interprets the information to make a meaningful image about a particular product. When a customer sees advertisements, promotions, customer reviews, social media feedback, and so on relating to a product, they develop an impression about the product, hence, consumer perception becomes a great influence on the buying consumer decision process. The next factor is learning. When a consumer buys a product, he or she gets to learn something more about the product. Learning comes over a period of time through experience. A consumer's learning depends on skill and knowledge. While a skill can be gained through practice, knowledge can be acquired only through experience. Learning can either conditional or cognitive. In conditional learning, the consumer is exposed to a situation repeatedly, thereby making a consumer to develop a response towards it. Whereas in cognitive learning, the consumers will apply his knowledge and skills to find satisfaction and a solution from the product that he buys. Cognition refers to knowledge, attitude, and beliefs. Consumers have certain attitude and beliefs which influence the buying decision of a consumer based on this attitude. The consumer behaves in a particular way towards a product. This attitude plays a significant role defining the brand image of a product. Hence, the marketers try hard to understand the attitude of a consumer to design their marketing campaigns. So, we have discussed in detail about psychological factors. Remaining factors are cultural factors, which will be explained in the next session. Cultural factors includes culture, subculture, nationality group, religious, racial, and social values, and so on. Similarly, social factors includes family, reference group, role, and status. Economic factors, personal income, family income, income expectations, consumer credit, liquid assets, and savings. Personal factors includes age, income, occupation, lifestyle, and so on. So in this session, I have briefed you about who's a consumer, what is a consumer buying behavior, definition, and the factors influencing consumer buying behavior. And we discussed on only one factor, that is psychological factors, which affects the consumer buying decision process. Thank you. Remaining factors will be discussed in the next session.